Hello, and welcome to Blackboard's Basic Training, Modular 3, Blackboard Interface Basics. Once participants have completed Modular 3, participants should be able to recognize the key components of the University of Houston-Clear Lake's blank Blackboard template and the University of Houston-Clear Lake's Master Course template. The participants should be able to edit the course menu and use the student preview to change between instructor and student views of the course. During Modular 3, participants will review the modular notes presented within this modular, watch Modular 3 video, watch the short videos located in the Blackboard Tutorials folder, and successfully complete Modular 3 quiz. So let's get to it. Under the modular notes, the participant will review both templates and the information provided. In this first template, the participant will notice the University of Houston-Clear Lake's blank Blackboard shell. Two important areas to review are the red box highlighting the plus sign. This plus sign is the added content button that allows a user to add additional content to their course menu section. Second is the course management section, which can only be reviewed by the instructor. Unlike the blank Blackboard shell, the University of Houston-Clear Lake Master Course template, which can also be referred to as the base template, already has the content menu provided. The participants will notice this shell offers a full course menu, and within the course menu is even a tab with important information for the instructor. The other important area is the student preview mode switch. The switch enables instructors to toggle between their view of the course and the true student view. The participants will next go through the Blackboard tutorials, where there are two short videos, a one-page document, and a link to access Blackboard webpage. Last is Modular 3 quiz, where all participants must score an 80% or higher to complete Modular 3. If you need support or have a question, you can always send a message through the course message tool found in the course menu. Or you can always email the University of Houston-Clear Lake Support Center at supportcenter@uhcl.edu or at 281-283-2828.